eldest, made of love teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, made of love teaching. We are from the precious, always for the eldest, made of love teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest. Okay.
Mix cinnamon, curry masala, black pepper, salt, seasoning, ginger, and garlic powder into the chicken, mixing well to combine.
Come on. Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are from the precious, always for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the
Combine the tomato and pepper paste with the seasoned chicken, mix well, and cover to marinate for a few minutes.
Come on. Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious.
Add boiling water to the noodles, cover, and let them steam.
We are from the precious, always for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious.
Uncover and gently stir to ensure the noodles are steamed and tender.
Okay.
Pour the noodles into a sieve to drain the water.
Yeah, come on.
Return the noodles to the pot, sprinkle in the noodle seasoning, and mix well.
Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are from the precious, always for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest. Come on. Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are from the precious, always for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the
Sprinkle in black pepper and mix once more.
eldest. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching.
Lightly grease the pan with cooking butter, add fresh pepper and diced onions, and let them fry for a few minutes. Then, add the hot dog and gently turn.
We are from the precious, always for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest. Come on. Let's go. Lagos loves teaching. We are all made of the precious, and for the eldest, Lagos loves teaching. Let's go. Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are
After the hot dogs are thoroughly fried, take them out of the pan.
and for the elders, Lego blocks teaching.
Add the vegetables to the pan and let them fry lightly.
Always for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, come on, let's go. Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders,
Melt a small amount of cooking butter in the pan, add the chicken, and let it fry.
made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are from the freshest. Always for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders. Okay. Yeah.
Break the eggs, whisk very well and fry.
Yeah. Come on. Let's go. Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are from the freshest. Always for the elders, Lego blocks teaching.
Spread the steamed noodles over the sizzling fried eggs, sprinkle with cheese and crispy hot dogs, then fold the eggs like a blanket to wrap the noodles.
Come on. Let's go.
Carefully set the noodles, enveloped by sizzling fried eggs, onto a plate.
All made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are from the freshest.
Layer the partially cooked vegetables on top of the noodles, then top with ketchup, mayonnaise, and a dash of sesame seeds.
Made of the freshest. And for the elders. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, come on. Let's go. Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We are all made of the freshest. And for the elders, Lego blocks teaching. We
Cut it and serve.